Hey everyone, Pamela Curtis here. Welcome back to my channel, Garden Reply. There is no gardening in my gardens in February. Here is the box of mound arborvitaes, and you can see that they're doing pretty good, so I'm very, very happy about that. If you look very closely, you'll see the mound of snow that's behind here. If you check out my previous videos, you'll see what this is all about. So to stay up to date, check out all the videos because I do give you an update, give you some information and the latest news on the garden. This is the next day after a substantial snow. We've got a lot of wind here. As you can see, it is still winter in New England. My latest video, and I'll see you all next time.